Interfaces or abstract classes. Most developers pick wrong when it actually matters most. Here's the core difference. An interface is a contract. It defines what a class must do, but never how. An abstract class does both. It defines the contract and provides concrete shared implementation that subclasses inherit. In TypeScript, abstract classes can have real method bodies, not just signatures. If you find yourself copying the same logic across multiple classes, an abstract class is likely the right tool. Two more structural differences. A class can implement multiple interfaces, but can only extend one abstract class. TypeScript enforces single inheritance, and unlike interfaces, abstract classes support real instance fields with mutable state. If your base type needs to own data, say a stored connection string or a cached result, interfaces simply cannot help you there. Think about the relationship. Use an abstract class when subclasses share and is a relationship. Dog and cat are animals, so they extend a shared abstract base that owns common behavior. Reach for interfaces when you want composable capabilities. Serializable, loggable, comparable. These describe what a class can do, not what it is. Often the cleanest design combines both. An abstract class that also implements shared interfaces. Choose abstract classes for shared implementation and is hierarchies. Use interfaces for composable, cross-cutting contracts. Like this video for more TypeScript deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.